What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. If you saw my last video was a little bit different, and this one is also going to be a little bit different. I'm just sharing different content with you guys. One, so you can go ahead and know my personality, and second, so you can see where the channel is heading. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. What's going on, outdoor lovers? Today we are heading down to the Florida Keys for two things. One, we're gonna try to do a little bit of fishing. We're probably gonna have just one day. Maybe I'll go at night to go fishing. Primarily, we're going because we have a friend that he's turning 40 years old. We're going to go ahead and celebrate his birthday in the Keys. I am here with my wife. I'm actually taking a break. We're about probably like what? 3 is not gonna happen.
I'm driving. 3.
So we're about probably like 5 hours. It is 5:25. We got the sunset almost going down. So we just arrived at our location. I really don't know the name of it, where we're at, but pretty cool. We just checked in. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit of inside. So this is the bag. I don't know how good it's gonna be with the GoPro. So this is one of their pools, and it's pretty dark right now. And that's pretty cool. They have all this thing lit up, and there's like, what is this? Can you actually, is that like a pool or what?
No. It's just like a little lagoon.
Like a little lagoon? Looks like a nice resort. So we just got to our room here, and I'll show you guys a little bit more tomorrow. But oh, damn! Check that out. It's pretty cool. So you can go ahead and come in, take a shower, jump on the tub right here, and then from here you can just jump into your bed. What's going on, guys? So we got here yesterday like around
7:40.
7:40. Alright. Stopped to go ahead and buy some shrimp here in the Florida Keys in Channel 2. We're just unpacking and just started putting the rods in, and this is our first one. A little windy, which just sucks. So beautiful colors.
Beautiful.
Alright, we got another one here.
We got baby sister.
Fish on, baby. There you go. Alright, so you catch your little fish.
Hi.
Woo! Alright guys, check it out. Hot fish. Oh, what's that? Come on, man.
Fish on.
Nothing big here, guys. Nothing big. There it is, boy.
It's straight down.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, what is, oh my god, it's a huge fish. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, you better not let that go. Come on. Get it right there. Here we are, we're still fighting this big fish. You said it was a jack? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my god, look at this one. Look what I caught. Wow. Wow, D.
There it is, boys. I'm just gonna throw him back now. Alright guys, so it was very windy. We caught just, you know, small fish and, you know, big jack. We're gonna meet up with some friends. Y'all on YouTube now, live.
It's gonna be another 40th birthday celebration video.
Long guy, he'll come take care of it.
I'm a long guy.
He is a long guy. What's going on, guys? It is the third day here in the Keys. Today it's actually a better day. Fortunately, today we had, you know, plans with our friends. I don't think we're gonna be able to do any fishing today.
It's always tomorrow.
Always tomorrow. Where's birthday boy at? Someone had too much last night.
What's up, bro? Get up.
Sean, put some underwear on. Sean's nude, get in there.
What?
Sean's nude, come on.
It's not stopping any of us.
Hey, Jared's got the camcorder out. Bring that bad boy out here. Titties.
Hi, boo. Oh, look at you.
Damn!
Came just in
Like our
I'll just finish your dessert.
Malcolm 40th birthday.
Cheers.
All right, buddy, we got a fish on. Just kidding. We're good, bro. All right, we are just strolling here down the beach, guys, seeing what we catch. Oh, what I caught? Oh, I got a bunch of whiteys. Oh, there's a bait right there. If you guys enjoyed the video, well, you know what to do. To Malcolm and friends, sorry it took me so long to publish this video. And as always, do what brings you freedom and happiness. My name is Dee, and I will see you on the next video.